Well, LPU at saka San Beda, opening game ng NCAA Season 100. Di ko napanood eh. So, nakita natin yung highlights nun. Well, dumikit ang LPU pero talagang hindi mo ma-match yung lineup ng San Beda. No, yun yung sinasabi na sa 18 games, ano ang pwedeng ilabas ni Coach Yuri Escueta with his current roster at kung sakasakali yung mga reserve niya, ano ang ilalabas. So makikita natin yung long and athletic big, yung mga wings at saka yung mga big man ng San Beda, di ba? Parang nandun lang din. Pero kasi kahit sabihin mong, kahit sabihin mong full court press ng LPU which is known for Gilbert Malabana, umaatake na rin sila ng press break eh. No? Talagang nakahanda na yung mga bidista sa pressure na ibibigay nitong mga taga Intramuros, itong LPU o yung Lyceum. So, hindi mo alam ang iano nito. Well, reigning champions itong San Beda. They should have won the game as defending champions playing against the host of season 100. So, yun lang yun. They should have won convincingly. Dumidikit yung LPU pero better teams as a unit won against teams who played as a unit also. So, yun lang yung masasabi natin dyan. Talagang may team lang na pinagpala at ikaw at yung kalaban hindi masyadong pinagpala. So, yun lang po.